Hi everyone, I am Anushka Rathi and I am so glad that you are here. We are living in an era where biological sciences are no longer confined to just microscope or a field notebook. We are in the age of big data, high precision engineering and climate crisis solution. If you are a student, a faculty member or a professional aiming for competitive exams like IFS, RFO or ICAR JRF, you know that sheer volume of information can be overwhelming. You need resources that don't just give you facts but gives you strategies. Today I am walking you through 6 definitive books from scientific publishers. We aren't just looking at textbooks, but we are looking at career building tools. The first book is Comprehensive Forestry for State Level Exams. The next book is FAQs on Forestry for IFS Aspirants, a decade of solved papers. The third book is Objective Forestry for all competitive examinations. अगली पुस्तक का नाम है वानिकी वस्तुनिष्ठ. The fifth book is Universal Forestry, second edition. Universal Objective Forestry, complete MCQ practice sets. Whether you are from a botany background or an engineering one, this set is designed to be your academic backbone. Let's break this down one by one. Let's start with the book that is a complete lifesaver for aspirants in Gujarat. Comprehensive Forestry by R.L. Meena and Adil A. Qazi is a complete bilingual book. Now, how does this matter? Because the exam might be in English, but having Gujarati context for local forest profiles and terms has a massive advantage. Our authors R.L. Meena and Adil A. Qazi have specially designed this book for RFO and GPSC examinations. This book addresses a major gap. Most graduates in chemistry, maths or physics are eligible for the RFO exam, but they haven't studied a day of forestry in their lives. This book is their bridge. Here is what makes this book a powerhouse. Gujarat specific profile. Detailed facts on the state's forest area, which accounts for 11.03% of its geographical area. Bilingual terminology. Scientific terms are explained in both English and Gujarati for a better conceptual clarity. National Park deep dives. Comprehensive data on the Blackbuck, Gir, Marine and Vansda National Parks. Legal framework. Coverage of the Forest and Environment Acts, policies and laws that are frequently tested. The GPSC Vault, a dedicated section for previous GPSC questions and practice sets to stimulate the exam environment. What I love about this book is the Gujarati facts section in chapter 1. It gives you immediate access to statistics like the carbon stock in Gujarat's forests, which is over 107 million tons. If you are sitting in GPSC, these are the golden numbers that will help you clear in prelims. Now, let's move to what many call the Mount Everest of competitive exams, the Indian Forest Service. If you are an IFS aspirant, you know that the syllabus isn't just broad, it's oceanic. You aren't just tested on facts, you are tested on the ability to synthesize information into structured professional answers. Dr. K.T. Parthiban's book is a compilation of decades of solved papers from 2005 to 2016. But it's not just a key, it's a reference framework that consulted over 150 textbooks to make sure that the answers provided are scientifically correct and accurate. The brilliance of this book lies in how it organizes subjective knowledge. Instead of random questions, it groups a decade of wisdom into 15 logical chapters. Here is what you are going to master through their research. Silvicultural systems. Deep dives into clear felling, shelter wood, and the complex Copic with standard system. Specialized ecosystems. Detailed characteristics of mangroves and the harsh conditions of cold deserts like Ladakh and Spiti. Agroforestry and tribology. Understanding the socio-economic relationship between forest and local tribes. Forest engineering. Learning how to use a prismatic compass for forest surveys and the principles of building forest roads and bridges. Tree improvement. The science of seed orchids, genetic testing and breeding for disease resistance. I want to highlight one specific example from the authors. In the cold desert section, they don't just say it's cold. They explain that the temperature is below 0 degrees centigrade for most of the period, which inhibits the water absorption of plants. This is the kind of detail an IFS examiner looks for. It turns a generic answer into a professional one. Whether you are studying silviculture or forest economic, this book teaches you the language of a forest officer. If the previous book was about long-form strategy, this next one is about rapid-fire precision. We are looking at the third edition of Objective Forestry. Since its first release in 2015, this book has become a legend in JRF, SRF and NET exam circles. Dr. K.T. Parthiban, S. Vinila, S. Umesh Khanna, P. Durai Rasu updated this 2024 edition, getting direct feedback from students across the country and adding what was actually missing in other guides. What makes this third edition by Parthiban and his colleagues different in the inclusion of brand new chapters that are frequently appearing in recent exam patterns? The book is now a complete competition tutor covering global forest resources, statistics on global forest laws and the leading forest areas like Russia, Brazil and Canada. Forest mensuration. How to use modern tools like laser technology and high precision instruments for height and volume estimation. Wood science. The cellular structure of wood, including the difference between heartwood and sapwood. Forest pathology and entomology. Identify the fungi and insects that impact our timber resources. Milestones, a unique section on historical events in the Indian forestry, from Tipu Sultan's Eucalyptus introduction in 1790 to the first Forest Act. The structures provided by authors are perfect for revision. Each chapter has key points and these are your must-know facts. Then it transitions into hundreds of multiple choice questions. It is designed to build your muscle memory. If you can clear the practice sets in this book, you are more than ready for ICAR exams. It's effective, it's updated and it's a massive time saver. अब हम बात करेंगे उन छात्रों की जो अपनी प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं की तैयारी हिंदी माध्यम में करना चाहते हैं। वानिकी वस्तुनिष्ठ का यह तीसरा संस्करण एक बहुत बड़ी कमी को पूरा करता है। अक्सर ये देखा जाता है कि वानिकी जैसे तकनीकी विषय के लिए अच्छी और अपडेटेड सामग्री मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। डॉक्टर के.टी. पार्थिबन और डॉक्टर मनमोहन जे. डोबरियाल ने इस पुस्तक को विशेष रूप से हिंदी भाषी क्षेत्रों के पाठ्यक्रम और परीक्षाओं को ध्यान में रखकर तैयार किया है। यह पुस्तक केवल अनुवाद नहीं है, बल्कि इसे भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान परिषद ICAR और विभिन्न राज्य लोक सेवा आयोगों PSCs के मानकों के अनुरूप ढाला गया है। डॉक्टर पार्थिबन और डॉक्टर डोबरियाल द्वारा तैयार इस पुस्तक के मुख्य स्तंभ है वैज्ञानिक शब्दावली। जटिल वैज्ञानिक शब्दों को बहुत ही सरल और सटीक हिंदी में समझाया गया है। वन संवर्धन और प्रबंधन, सिल्वीकल्चर और फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट जैसे विषयों पर विस्तृत प्रश्न बैंक, वन पारिस्थितिकी, पर्यावरण और जैव विविधता से जुड़े नवीनतम आंकड़े, बहुविकल्पीय प्रश्न, हजारों अभ्यास प्रश्न जो आपकी गति और सटीकता को बढ़ाने में मदद करेंगे। चाहे आप ICAR JRF की तैयारी कर रहे हो या स्टेट फॉरेस्ट सर्विस की, यह किताब सुनिश्चित करती है कि भाषा आपके ज्ञान और सफलता के बीच बाधा न बने। हर अध्याय के मुख्य बिंदु क्विक रिवीजन के लिए बेहतरीन है। हिंदी माध्यम के छात्रों के लिए 2025 का सबसे अनिवार्य रिसोर्स है। Next we have the legendary Swiss Army Knife of Forestry books, Universal Forestry 2nd edition by Mohit Hussain. Mohit, a gold medalist himself, realized that students don't have the time to read 20 different textbooks. So he condensed the entire JRF, NET and UPSC syllabus using one single volume under the bulleted and targeted format. At just rupees 275, this is probably the most efficient revision guide in the market. This book follows the ICAR, JRF, SRF and NET syllabus to the letter. Key sections include state-wise profiles, tabulated data for every state, from Andhra Pradesh to Arunachal Pradesh, including tribal data and state trees. Ecology fundamentals, clear distinctions between ornithology, cynecology and the role of keystone species. Wildlife facts, insights on the white tigers of Rewa and the gaur, the largest animal in the Bovidae family. Forest utilization, practical guides on tools like felling axes and M-tooth saws. Exam archive, memory-based JRF papers from 2015, 2016 and 2018. If book 5 is your revision guide, then Universal Objective Forestry is your practice partner. Also by Mohit Hussain, this book takes all those bullet points and convert them into an exhaustive multiple choice practice bank. It is specifically designed to tackle the 13 units of the NET syllabus for agroforestry and JRF syllabus for forestry. This book ensures that you can apply what you have learned. It features unit-wise MCQs covering everything from forest mensuration and remote sensing to plant physiology and soil science. NET syllabus focus, detailed questions on national forest policies 1894, 1952, 1988 and carbon sequestration. Statistics and economics, practice questions on experimental designs like RBD and LSD, plus mean, median and mode calculations. Diagnostic papers include UPPSC, ACF exam papers and memory-based NET SRF papers to test your exam readiness. We have covered a massive range of resources today, from the subjective mastery needed for the IFS to the bulleted points of Mohit Hussain. These 6 books represent the collective wisdoms of legends like Dr. Parthiban, Dr. Dobriyal, Shri R.L. Meena and Mohit Hussain. To stay updated with new releases, academic shifts, student-driven content, follow scientific publishers on all their social media platforms. For more deep dive guides and scientific learning resources, follow our YouTube channel. For orders or quick book inquiries, contact the team at 7733 904 904. Thank you so much for joining me today. All the links to purchase these books on Amazon or on publisher's website are given in the description below. If this guide helped you, please like it and share it with your student group. I am Anushka Rathi. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.